Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before I get into this tutorial of how I got this beautiful hair color, I just want to tell you guys a little bit about the hair. I've had this hair for 2 years and I've always had it black since I got it, and I got it from AliExpress. And yeah, the hair is pretty decent. Like, this is 2-year-old hair from AliExpress, and it took color this well. Well, it took developer this well, and once again, I only used one thing of 40 developer, and that's all I used to color this hair, and some like plastic bag from Walmart. And as you can see, the closure came out darker than the hair, which is cool. But I'm gonna just go ahead and color the hair another color, which is gonna be on my next video that I'm gonna post probably like in 2 or 3 days. But yeah, the closure came out a little darker than the hair, and you know, sometimes hair is just like that. Sometimes the hair on the closure and the hair on the bundle is not always the same, and that's the case with this hair. Like, I don't like the way it looks in the back. Like, I don't like how it goes from dark right here and then it's light over here. Like, yeah, I don't like that. Looks tacky. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to bring everything together by adding more color to it, and you know, just making it look a bit more fall as well. That's what this hair is supposed to be. It's supposed to be like my fall hair. So I'm gonna add like an auburn orange color to it, and that's what we're doing. So all you need to achieve this hair color is some brush, a Walmart bag or 2, and some 40 developer. So I started by brushing the hair out completely, and when I got all the hair brushed out and all the tangles out the hair, I proceeded with my next step, which is parting the hair into a section. So now I'm going to take the 40 developer and I'm going to apply it throughout the entire hair, or you can just apply it to whatever areas you want to be highlighted. Also guys, warning, please do not, I repeat, do not use your hand to do this. I don't know why I thought it was okay for me to use my hand to do this, but please, I'm begging you, do not use your hand. It burns like heck. Don't do it. Don't do it to yourself. Just get you some gloves and use it. And that's the reason why I used my hand, is because when I went to start doing the hair, I could not find any gloves, and I needed this, like, I needed this wig the next day to go out of town. So I just went ahead and, you know, used my hand, and sadly enough, I ended up not wearing this wig, so my hand burned for no reason. But yeah, just keep applying the developer on there, and just saturate the hair with developer so it can take very well, and you don't want to miss any strands. And the best way to do that, to not miss any strands, is by applying the developer throughout the whole entire hair and soaking it in there and brushing it through really good. And once you're done putting the developer in there, you just take the trash bag and you tie it over the hair and you let it sit overnight. I think I let it sit from 6 p.m. that night till the next day at 5 p.m. So it sat in there for 24 hours, and I took it outside to let it, I guess I just wanted it to like really work. So I don't know, I took it outside and it was hot outside. Like, I left it in my balcony while I went to work, and when I came back, the hair was as you see in the intro. And like I said, I'm going to add more color to it, and I'll let you guys know how I like that color. And thank you so much for tuning in. See you guys in my next video.